On this trip, we're headed to the New York Finger Lakes region, where we're going to camp for the night and do a little bit of unplanned exploring around the area. The endless mountain region in Pennsylvania always provides a beautiful backdrop during any ride. There were no real plans for this trip, so we just sat back, enjoyed the journey, and even solved a few problems along the way. The Finger Lakes region is known for its tourism. From beautiful wineries to water sports, even hot air balloon rides. There are tons of things you could do in the Finger Lakes region. But for a motorcyclist, it's the over 9,000 acres of waterfalls, coastlines, and twisty roads that will make your trip worth the ride. Oh, we're on our way to Watkins Glen State Park. Gotta stop in here at the local Harley dealer, Finger Lakes Harley-Davidson. Alright, so we got the firewood, and we used the old gravity method to keep her on there. I think she did fairly well. Not too far from the park office. They were kind enough to give us some of this fire starter. So, that ought to work. With its 200-foot walls carved nearly 20,000 years ago by glaciers, the glen forms 19 waterfalls that would leave anyone visiting speechless. be sure not to miss part 2 of our Finger Lakes trip, where we stumbled upon something truly breathtaking. Go ahead and check out some of our other trips right here. And be sure to subscribe for future adventures on Two Wheels.